Just testing for you this vintage Howard Miller triple chime clock. I'm just going to go through and let you listen to what the chimes are. They're Whittington, St. Michael, and Westminster. And this one basically, it plays on the quarter of the hour, the melody. And at the hour, it plays the full melody. And then it gives you a single chime for the hourly to let you know that it's at the hour. It's a very lovely clock, and the case is in absolutely excellent condition. There are scratches. They're not readily noticeable to the eye that I can see. The dial's in very good condition, as well as the glass. Okay, thank you for looking. It's on sale on the website for Etsy and eBay. Thanks for watching.